Did you know that you can make money online from just your everyday life? Things you're already buying, things that you are already doing. And that's what I do. I'm a full-time creator. I have been full-time self-employed creating content for 2 years. And I built a business around my everyday life through affiliate marketing. And that's with the Amazon influencer program, Amazon Associates. And that's also leveraging YouTube. So I want to break down how you can do this too. And honestly, it's not easy, but it's not super hard. So right now I'm about to make content for this boneless couch right here. And I recently moved. I needed a couch. So I bought this couch off of Amazon. So I'm going to make money on this couch in multiple ways. And the point that I want to drive home is this is something I was gonna, I had to buy, right? So I'm not doing things just to randomly doing stuff to make money. It's stuff that I was gonna buy anyways. I'm just making content around it and using it to build my business. And how I'm going to make money from this, it's in multiple ways. I'll break it down quickly. So I'm going to post the content on Amazon. This is with the Amazon influencer program. So I'm gonna do a quick review. I might have to film a little bit while I'm doing this video. Hopefully I don't mess that up, trying to do two things at once. And with the Amazon influencer program, I'll post that on Amazon. It will show up on the product listing when people are shopping. And if they watch my video purchase, then I'm gonna get a commission of that purchase. And then also what I'm gonna do is post this on YouTube. So I've been on YouTube since 2016, and I just know how to leverage that platform to drive traffic, to drive affiliate sales, with my content. So I'll post it over there. That's another way I can make money. And then you could also leverage other platforms. You could post on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. You could have your own blog. So there's so many ways that you can leverage platforms and make money in multiple ways just from your everyday life, products that you're already buying, products that you already have in your house. And I think some people don't realize this opportunity. And honestly, man, it's been game changing, and it's changed my life. Seriously, I know I say that a lot, but it really has. I'm able to work for myself. I have freedom and flexibility. I'm just making money from things that I'm already gonna do and things I'm already buying. And also there's other ways that I do this by just incorporating my everyday life and making content around that. So I have pets. So I'm getting pet products, right? Stuff for them. So I'll make content around that stuff. That's a big one for me, household stuff. And then fitness is a big part of my life. I have a home gym, I work out consistently 5 times a week. Right? So I can make content around my equipment, my supplements. I could even just talk about my routines and show my workouts and do more lifestyle content and just show how I incorporate those products and recommend those products and how they help me stay in shape and things like that. So it's crazy, man. The opportunity is crazy. And that's why I said it's not really hard, because you're just leveraging things that you're already doing. Okay, this is pretty nice. I was a little worried when buying this, but I said if I didn't like it, I could sell it. But it's soft. I just like how it looks so far. But I want to talk a little bit about how you could do this. I would tell you to look into the Amazon influencer program. That's one way that you can make money from your everyday life, just recommending products, things you already have in your house, things like that. But also what's even bigger, and I think it's more opportunities, is when you get into these other platforms. And I always recommend YouTube. So you could easily start a review channel. It could even be a lifestyle channel. Really, what you want, you don't have to have a niche or a niche, but that's going to accelerate your results, because you'll become more known for that quicker. People will trust you a little bit more too, because you talk about the same stuff, but you're gonna do that around your life. So what I want you to think about is what products, what's a big thing in your life? What's something you have a lot of products around, or just something that's part of your everyday life and routine? Like I said, for me, that's fitness. And then you start recommending the products around that niche, around that lifestyle. So that's what you could do. You could start a channel with that. You just make these quick review videos like I'm doing now. This is an unboxing first impressions. I'm just gonna talk about my initial thoughts, maybe talk about some hesitations I had before buying it, talk about how it feels. Then I could do an update video later on. You know, you could do this as a side hustle. You could turn it into a business. And I mean, thousands of people are leveraging these platforms and doing this online through affiliate marketing. I think it's one of the best businesses to start in 2026 and moving forward. I do think it's I hate saying the word easier. I think it's a little bit easier than some other businesses. Like I've done other stuff. I've even had a service business, and this is it's just a little bit easier because you're naturally just integrating things you're already doing in your regular life, and you're just leveraging that in the things you already have. Yeah, man, take advantage of this opportunity, man. If, I don't know, man, maybe you want to leave your job. I know some people, they don't like their job and they want to start an online business or do content full time. This is one way you could do it. Or maybe you just want a side hustle. You could easily do this on the side. I did this on the side for years before I went full time. So I've been doing affiliate marketing, but around the time I was thinking about going full time, that's when I really hit it hard. And then I joined the Amazon Influencer Program. Before that, I was just doing offsite with Amazon Associates with my this YouTube channel. And that was just me dabbling in it, trying to learn it. You know, I was making content around products I already had, because this used to be a photography channel. So I would make content around that because I was a photographer, right? This was stuff that I already had. And then I found out about Amazon Influencer. I'm like, man, that's a good opportunity to make even more money in a different way. So I put all those videos over there. In the beginning, I didn't even have to make a bunch of content. I was putting content I already had on my Amazon storefront. So then at that point, I had the affiliate with my channel offsite, and then I was making money from on-site on Amazon with my storefront. And then now, like I said, this is my business. I have the review channel. So I'm driving traffic with YouTube, and see a lot of these products. And once you understand the game, you'll start to realize like the power of SEO evergreen content and buying intent, what people are searching for. Like people are always searching for couches. Think about when you make a purchase. Me personally, I do a lot of research, right? I'm looking for YouTube reviews. A lot of people go to YouTube and they look for reviews around products, right? They did that with the cameras and lenses that I used to make content about, right? So that's the opportunity right there. SEO content, they find it, right? They watch the video, they like it, they click your link, they make the purchase, you get the commission. Yeah, I think it's a good business model. And I just like how it revolves around stuff you're already gonna buy. And that's not to say I don't ever buy stuff just for the business, because I've got to that point where I will invest in certain products just for the business. But you know, like stuff like this, I'm looking for opportunities, but I was already gonna buy the couch anyway. So I just kind of wanted to talk about that process, man, and just show you what's possible, and give you some ideas on how you could get started with this. I mean, you could get started with this today, man. You know, start making content around the products in your house, incorporate some lifestyle content around products, post it on YouTube. You know, sign up to Amazon Influencer, Amazon Associates, start sharing your links, and just stay with it. I think a lot of people, they'll start this affiliate content business and they give up too quick, right? I see that a lot. They're like, I'm not making a lot. You know, I'm just making, you know, 50 bucks here or there. But you do have to give it time. And as you learn more, it can really start to scale to thousands and become that full-time income in that full-time business, is if that's what you want it to become. So I'm gonna finish up filming this. I'm just gonna talk about my first impressions, talk about how it feels, and that'll be a new piece of content. I'll post it on Amazon and then my YouTube channel. But if y'all have any questions about this, feel free to leave comments. Like I said, this is my job. This is what I do full time, just cranking out content, leveraging different platforms, creating assets, right? This couch can keep paying me, possibly, right? A lot of these products, you know, I made content years ago, they're still paying me. So that's a whole another side of it, and why I love content in leveraging platforms like YouTube. These things in Amazon, these things can keep paying you years later. So it's pretty cool, man. Sometimes I don't know, I have to kind of pinch myself and be like, man, I really do this full time. And I've built a business around this, and it's growing. It's kind of crazy, man. But yeah, if you want to learn more about my business, I do have an email list. You could sign up to that. I share a lot of behind the scenes, what's working, what's not working. If you want to learn specifically about Amazon, check out my AIP playbook. I break down how I started this business, how I made 20K in 9 months. All that stuff will be in the video description. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all in my next video.